I think it's been great. The reason why it's been great is because I'm a high blood pressure patient and I have also heart complaint. And this has significantly kept my high blood pressure under control. It's given me a better night's sleep. I've been able to, I used to feel pretty drowsy and sleepy at work and nod off, and even when driving sometimes a bit drowsy. And this, I no longer experience that. I get up in the mornings now and I'm got full of energy and vitality, which I never had before. I used to feel tired when I got up in the morning. Well, particularly my wife, I guess, that she's experienced the fact that she can have a better sleep. I'm no longer snoring, and also I've got a lot more energy and vitality with myself, and I'm much more happier, and I'm not nodding off anymore at all during the day or even when driving.